Create a reading nook. Help kids learn to read by designing a fun reading nook. Start with this low book display. Add a colorful carpet and a few comfy seats to make your space inviting. Carpet and seats sold separately. Durable. This unit is constructed from 5/8-inch thick, premium plywood panels. It features rounded corners for safety. With a tough UV finish, this piece is extremely scratch and stain resistant. Toe kicks keep small objects from rolling underneath. Low-height book display. This book display features 4 tiers of shelves designed so books are displayed with the cover pictures facing outward. Children will see the images and be enticed to look inside. No assembly. This book display ships fully assembled. If you don't want any headaches from self-assembly, then this is the option for you. Dimensions: 25 by 15 by 15 inches. Ages: general use. Warranty: limited lifetime. Top reviews from the United States. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect book display. My baby loves books. She owns over 60 books already. This display is perfect for showcasing a few at a time. I was able to place 18 books in the display, so I can just rotate books out and add new ones. The display comes assembled, so all you have to do is take it out of the box. It's pretty low, which is good height for little ones to grab books. The wood feels like it's good quality too. I can't wait for my baby girl to see this book display in the morning.